Hey guys, good morning. I know it's been a while since I updated on Dogecoin. It's just been, the stocks have been pretty fun, so I haven't really been updating on Doggy. It's been mostly been Bitcoin and stuff that I've been updating, and like the overall crypto market. But I did want to give a quick update on Dogecoin, just because I have seen, how do you say, not exactly the best market in Doggy recently. And especially on the week chart, it does look like we're losing a lot of bullish momentum, which is something I'm not necessarily very happy about, because on the weekly chart, it seems like we're losing a lot of bullish momentum, and as of right now, it looks like we might even go all the way down to 0.037. I mean, I'm not saying we will, but as far as like the momentum pushes upwards, it seems like it's slowly like dying little by little, right? So usually when we hit past the day chart on the bullish side, we tend to run up a pretty decent amount, right? But recently it hasn't been all that much. Like last time, the last time that this actually happened, we actually went from, like 0.05 to 0.06. We only went up like a cent, which is pretty small compared to like the previous run up we had on Doggy. And I do think it's gonna happen again. I do think we just started the rally because we bounced off that 0.05 level recently, or 0.04, what is it? Well, almost on this level right here, right? So I do think we're headed back up towards 0.06. I do think the rally just started on Dogecoin. So I can easily see us going back to 6 cents with enough volume. On the 4 hour, it's been crossed and it's been moving upwards. It's completely oversold, right? So and then on the day chart, again, like I told you guys, the hour chart doesn't really matter right now. There's nothing going on. But at least on the what is it called, on the day chart, we do see Doggy actually going all the way down, bouncing off the lows of the MACD on the bearish side. We see right there, it's actually bounced. I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on right now on my chart. The little lines that you see that are blue, that are dashed, those are actually the monthly support and resistance. So it's a huge, it bounced off huge support there, right? And we did create bottoms on the stochastic, and we did create and the bearish movement on the MACD side is going down. So I do think as of right now, we are going back to 6 cents. It looks very likely that that's going to happen. But I do think after that, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen after that 6 cent mark hit, right? Especially because the week chart is looking like we're losing a lot of bullish momentum, which is kind of not the scary part, but that's important, right? The fact that before we have the week chart so bullish, it was pretty crazy, and now it's starting to die a little bit, which is the bad part, which is what I'm not exactly happy about. Because if that weak momentum dies on the weekly chart, on the weekly time frame, I can easily see us going all the way back down to like 0.03 cents, right? At least in that area, after we hit that 6 cent mark. So we need a lot of volume for this next run up to go all the way back to like 8 cents, possibly higher. But as of right now, I do see Dogecoin going back up to 6 cents and then possibly hitting resistance and then going all the way back down to maybe, I don't know, maybe 3 cents. Worst case, maybe like 2 cents, which is the bad part. But we just have to wait and see what actually happens in the next couple of days, and we have to see how strong this bull cross on the MACD is for the daily chart. So I think it's going to happen within this coming week. I do think that cross is going to happen this coming week, and I do think that whenever we do cross, we'll see how strong that rally actually is.